Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Natalie. I am a junior at the University of North Texas, majoring in accounting, and I do college beauty and lifestyle vlogs. So if you're into that, subscribe to my channel to see more of my upcoming content. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am showing you guys how I blow out my hair straight. And if you guys know, I have really curly and thick hair. So basically I hardly ever straighten my hair. If I do, it's once or maybe twice a year because of how thick it is, and basically it's just a big struggle when it comes to blowing out and straightening my hair. And as you guys can tell, I have a lot of it. Also, one more thing, I am due for a haircut, so I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but my hair has no shape to it whatsoever right now. It's all long and basically kind of one length. I am due for a haircut. I'm going to try and schedule a haircut soon, but I don't know when I will be able to do that, considering of, you know, being stuck in the house, especially with the coronavirus going on. So I don't know when I'm going to be able to get my haircut, but if I do schedule one soon, I'm going to vlog that for you. But basically, when I get my haircut, I ask for her to keep my length, and I ask for some long layers and also some framing around my face. So basically what that means is she will part my hair in the middle, and as you guys can tell, like, there's no shape to my hair. It's like just one length and kind of blah right now. But she basically starts framing the layers around my face to where they kind of gradually come in like this. And as you guys can tell, let me show you right now. So this is normally my first layer. This is actually supposed to be like right here, but they've all grown out, as you guys can tell. But that is how the layering kind of works, and I am very much due for a haircut. So keep that in mind as you guys can see me styling my hair. But I just figured it would be fun to show you how I blow out my hair straight, especially being stuck at home right now with the COVID-19 going around, and I'm kind of bored, so I figured it'd be fun to show you how I do this. Also, before we get started, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click that bell so you guys can get notified on when I upload. And let's go ahead and start blowing out my hair. So I just got out of the shower, and I'm going to start putting some products in my hair before I blow dry it out. And I'm going to use this Marc Anthony Super Fast Leave-In Conditioner, and this is like almost finished. So I'm going to use that and then brush my hair. And then I'm also going to apply this Blow Dry It Thermal Smoother Cream by L'Oreal. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm using this wet brush. I'm going to apply some of this smooth cream. I'm going to do about that much. So the blow dryer that I use is by Bedhead, and it's this one. I actually got this for my birthday or Christmas like a year or two ago, and I love it. So I'm going to blow dry my hair just a little bit so it's not like dripping wet, and then I'm going to start round brushing my hair. So I'm going to part my hair and just clip it up. I'm just going to brush my hair again with the round brush. This is, by the way, this is not my favorite round brush. This is the only brush I have at home. And I don't blow out my hair all the time. Honestly, I probably blow out my hair maybe twice a year. So I just haven't bought a round brush that I like yet, and I just have this laying around, so I make it work. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place about an inch of hair right here, and then I'm going to blow dry down and just keep going over until the hair is completely dry. And this is the motion that I do. Sometimes I also twist the brush like this towards the end if I want the ends to kind of flip out a little bit. And basically you just kind of have to like practice with the brush. I'm not a hairstylist at all, but I did go to cosmetology school for like 4 months before I transferred to UNT, and I didn't like cosmetology school as a career, so I dropped out and transferred to UNT for accounting. So I kind of know a little tips and tricks about hair, but I'm not a hairdresser or hairstylist at all. Okay, so the crown of my head, this is where I kind of start to blow dry a little bit different. You can see how I parted it. I'm going to separate the hair and start blow drying this way because it's going to create volume for, I feel like Chewbacca right now. It's going to create volume for the back of my head. So once I get to about the middle of my head, I am going to separate my hair like this. step I'm gonna do is I part my hair a lot of different ways. So sometimes I part it this way, and sometimes I always like to like flip my hair. But do you see how much volume this side has compared to when I flip it this way? I don't know, maybe that's just me. I'm just going to blow dry it a couple different ways so that way when I flip my hair it lays with a lot of volume and it just lays a lot better. That is laying so much better. Just going to brush it because sometimes it gets a little tangly. Sometimes I'll use a straightening iron like for my baby pieces because I struggle with my baby pieces getting like super straight, especially like back here. It's just like really hard to get so close to your skin without burning it. So sometimes I'll go in with a straightener, but I'm not going anywhere, I'm home, so I'm just going to leave my hair like this. And honestly, I haven't straightened my hair in a very long time, probably since the last time I got it done in my vlog. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll link it up here or here, whichever side, and you guys can check that out. The last product I'm going to apply in my hair is just some Moroccan oil, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to do like a little pump of that. So like that much. I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also hit that bell so you guys can get notified on when I upload new content. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.